Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we are learning about frequency tables and averages, how to find the mean, median, mode, and range when data is organized into a frequency table. A frequency table shows how often each value appears in a set of data. Instead of writing every number, again and again we group them neatly in a table. This makes it easier to work out averages for large sets of data. Let us begin with an example. Here's a table showing how many books each student in a class read last month. The values are 1, 2, 3, and 4 with frequencies, 2, 3, 4, and 1 to find the mean from a frequency table. We multiply each value by its frequency, then find the total and divide it by the total frequency. So we calculate 1 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 plus 4 times 1 equals 24. The total frequency equals 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 equals 10. Then divide 24 by 10, mean equals 2.4. So the mean number of books read is 2.4. To find the mode, we simply look for the value with the highest frequency. In this example, 3 books has the highest frequency for students. So the mode is 3. To find the median, we need the middle value. When all data is listed in order, there are 10 total values, so the middle 2 are the 5th, and 6 counting through 1 appears twice, 2 appears 3 times, and 3 appears 4 times. The 5th and 6th values fall between 2 and 3, so the median is 2.5. Finally, for the range, we subtract the smallest value from the largest range. Equals 4 minus 1 equals 3. So to summarize, mean equals total of value times frequency divided by total frequency. Mode equals most frequent value, median equals middle value. Range equals largest minus smallest. Frequency tables help us organize data and make it easier to find averages quickly. That is all for this lesson on frequency tables and averages. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.